How to recover Airbnb account. Open the Airbnb application. Tap on this option Login that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option Login or Sign Up. Enter your email address or phone number over here. Tap on the filter phone number or email. I'm going to enter my email address. Tap on the option Continue. Now you'll be redirected to enter your password. Since you do not know your password and you want to recover your account, tap on this option Try Another Way. Tap on the option Get a Code via email. If other options are available, you can tap on it as well. Open the Gmail if you selected the option for code. You'll receive the email from Airbnb. Tap on it. In that email, you can see the code. Memorize this code or you can also copy it. Go back to the Airbnb application. Enter the code over here. You can paste it from the clipboard. Now you'll be logged into your account without your password. Your account has been recovered. If you want, you can go ahead and change your password from the account settings interface. Like this, you can recover Airbnb account. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.